Hey guys, this is Maggie from Paper Copy, and in this video I want to talk to you about another point to complete when optimizing your article when trying to get to page 1. So you have published it, you have created eye-catching title, Google snippet, and added images, optimized images, and the work is almost completed. And now the important part is to optimize the article so it converts, what's going on? So it converts readers into buyers, because the goal is to get to page 1 with the article, get traffic, and then convert the visitors into customers. So you do it by adding calls to action in the key elements on the article. So if you talk about the benefits of certain product, you can then link to this product within your store. If you talk about the best apps or the best solutions to certain problem on the topic in the article, you can list to the product within your store that has similar benefits. You can link to other articles on the website, so people click to other pages, click to other content. They don't just click back, because it can affect your bounce rate if they just read the article and click back. So linking to other content on the website is also important. Adding content at the end of the article and asking people to sign up to your newsletter is also vital. So make sure to encourage people to subscribe to your newsletter. Obviously give quite enticing reason or quite enticing benefit that people will gain once they sign up. For example, you can promise sending further details on the topic that they are reading about. You can also offer a free report, free downloadable ebook, a free guide. You can also, if you run online store, you can offer a free shipping after sign up. So it's a good idea to set it up beforehand so people get automatically the free shipping offer, so free shipping voucher code that takes the delivery fee of their order, so they can use it right away and obviously shop with you. Yeah, so this is how you optimize the article to convert readers into buyers. Remember that the goal of the article is to drive traffic, but then you have to optimize it further to convert visitors into customers and leads. If you like this video, please click like underneath. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment telling me what is the topic you're currently writing about. If you need help with anything, give me a question, leave a question, I'll be able to help you. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.